Here's a 2016 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. And it comes with all the amenities you need: voice activation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, rear camera, easy lift and lower tailgate, air conditioning, automatic transmission, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and external memory control. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.